Hello there, there's a couple of more examples on the tip branch dieback. As you can see, this branch here, totally different colour from this nice healthy branch here with nice swelling buds. Now this is mid-March and the buds are just starting to swell here in the UK. So all we do is we trace this piece of dead wood back to the healthy section here, and it's just a matter of pruning off 1 centimetre, and then next year we can cut that a little bit closer when it's fully died back. A little bit lower here we have another very similar example, and in the past these were 2 buds along the branch which budded, leafed out and have started to grow last year as 2 new separate branches. So all we do is we get in there and leave about a centimetre on, and that's good for a year until we come back next year with little scissors, pruning scissors, and prune a little bit closer.